Hello students, how are you? I think you all are well and quite well and also fantastic, isn't it? Students, now we are going to cover a new chapter, that is circles. It is the chapter number 10 in your book, NCERT book. Okay. Students, you all know what is circle, what is the arc, what is radius, diameter, chord, segment, minor segment, major segment, sector. You all know these things and you all already learned in the previous classes. Clear? Students, we have learned also some theorems. That is the theorem that the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Is it? The angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the remaining part of the circle. Clear? Angles in a semicircle is a right angle. Angles on the same segment are equal. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. These theorems we have already studied in the previous class. Students, now I am drawing three figures. See, first figure is, it's a circle and it's a line. It is a line, suppose it is P and it is Q. The center O and radius R. Clear? Figure first. Figure second, again it's a center, radius and it's a line PQ. Figure 2. And in the third figure, again it's a circle, center O, radius R and it's a line PQ. Clear? It is figure number 3. Students, see, in these three figures, one circle and one line. In the first figure, the line PQ is not intersecting the circle, isn't it? So this line is called non-intersecting line with respect to the circle. Clear? In the second figure, see, the line PQ intersects 2 points A and B at the circle. Okay, the line PQ intersecting 2 points at 2 points on the circle. That means these 2 points are common for the line and the circle. So this line is called secant of a circle, with that means the line intersecting at 2 distinct points of a circle is called secant. Clear? Third thing, in the third figure, see, the line PQ and the circle intersecting only at one point A. If this case is happen, then this line is called the tangent of a circle. Students, see one thing. If we draw a circle and it is a secant, and if we draw the secants either or both the sides of this secant, we will find that the length of the chord gradually decrease on both sides, and one time what it happened, only single point where the line and the circle touches. Okay, this point is called tangent. That means we can say the tangent is a special case of a secant. We can write here. We can write that tangent is a special case of secant where two endpoints coincide. Clear? Here we have two endpoints, one endpoint, two endpoint. Here only single endpoint. So we can say tangent is a special case of secant where two endpoints coincide. Clear? Students, one more thing. See, the point where the tangent and the circle touches each other, this point is called point of contact. Point of contact. Okay. See, if I am drawing another circle with center O and radius R, how many tangents parallel tangents are drawn or can be drawn of a circle at most? See, if I am drawing here a tangent, we can draw same tangent here. That means these two are parallels. Similarly, if we draw two tangents here and here, we will find only two tangents. At most two tangents are parallel. Okay. Now, next thing. See, you all know that it is a circle. It's a center O, radius R. If a point P lying inside the circle, then we call it internal point. Internal point of a circle. In this case, the distance OP and the distance OR, that means OP is less than OR. The distance of the point from the center is less than the distance of the is less than the radius. Okay. It is, suppose one point lying outside the center, outside the circle. That means, suppose it is Q. In this case, Q is called external point of a circle, isn't it? In this case, OQ is greater than OR. That means external distance OQ is more than the radius. Clear? Now students, how many tangents drawn from the external point of a circle? See, from it's a circle, it's an external point Q, center O and radius R. It's an external point and it is a circle. We can only draw two tangents, like at this, in this. We can draw only two tangents from an external point of a circle. Clear, students? Okay.